Hello everyone, welcome to Women in Data Science. This is Mounica Narkedamilli. I am working as Systems Engineer in Data Consultancy Services. So today let's learn what is data science in its everyday form. If you hear the word data science, everybody will think that it's something huge, something rocket science, and it's not a cup of tea or something like that, right? So it's nothing like that. Everybody can start their journey in the data science. I'll make it simple for you. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into the topic. So today's agenda. Agenda we are having. Today we are going to discuss about four things: what is data science and how to create your own data set, how to clean and visualize the data set, and a demo for you all. Okay, so let's see what is data science. Data science is the field of study that combines domain expertise, programming skills, and knowledge of mathematics, statistics to extract meaningful insights from data. So, if you see here, there are mainly 3 points, right? One is domain knowledge, another is programming language, and another is statistics. So these three are the main pillars for the data science, right? So coming to the domain knowledge, if you're a domain expert, it's fine. If you're not a domain expert, what you can do is go to Kaggle. You'll have a lot of problem statements. You can pick one which is easy for you to understand, and then you can go with that. Otherwise, what you can do is, I'll tell you in the in the presentation how you can leverage about yourself to start this data science journey, right? And second coming is programming language. So programming language, there are like a lot of languages out there, and how you will know which language is suitable for you. First of all, list out all the languages which are available, and then what you can do is go with one by one, see the syntax, see how many resources you are finding on the internet, and how many people are using which language, like which language is mostly used by the people, so that you will get the resources very easily. So by that you can drill down the programming language which you want to work on. Mostly I suggest go with the Python, because you will have a lot of resources with that, and you will able to easily cope up with the things. And coming to statistics means you no need to worry that I need to learn big theorems and all. It's not at all that thing. You can start your journey with learning mean, median, mode, standard deviation, variance, etc., the basic concepts, right? So first of all, the main thing you have to remember is a T-shaped learning curve. So you have to concentrate how much depth you have to go. At the same time, how you have to know how much breadth you are covering. Okay, if you go into a concept very depth, you won't be able to cover the breadth, and you won't be able to get a feeling that okay, I achieved something, right? Because you will be keep on learning, and you don't know what's your first learning stage, and you will end up like losing the motivation, right? So if you want to get keep motivated, you first need to know the T type of learning, how much breadth you are covering, how much depth you are covering. First start with the breadth, and then for each and every point which you are not able to understand, try to drill down deeply. Okay, so first know your first learning stage, and based on that you will be able to get yourself moving. So second is next, let's see how you can create your own data set. As I told you in the previous slide, that there is a Kaggle website. There you will get a lot of problem statements, and then you will get a lot of many people will have their Kaggle notebooks over there, which is explaining what they understood and the analysis which they did. So what you can do is go over there, go to Kaggle and see the problem statements. If you are able to understand any of the problem statement, at least 50% go with that. The other 50% you can parallelly Google when you are trying to solve the problem. Otherwise it's fine, you can create your own data set. How you can create your own data set, I'll tell you now. Mainly, mostly people do the things is shopping, exercise, and then their food behavior, right? So these days we are doing online shopping, so every shopping detail will be there in your cart, or in your profile, in your orders list. So from there you can start extracting the data, like order ID as a primary key, and then the order type, what sort of order it is. It's like belong to apparel, or shoes, or accessories, or whatever it be. And so what's the base price of it, and what's the discount, what are the taxes, and how much delivery charge, and at the end how much you're paying, right? So that you will know the behavior, how you are spending, and all the stuff. So next thing is exercise. So exercise also you can start doing it. There are like a lot of applications. I'm not sure whether you can crawl the data from that, but still you can give it a try. So exercise also, if you are recording it manually, then try to record at what time you're getting it up, you're getting up, and how much time you're giving to the exercise, and how many repetitions you're doing a particular exercise, and how much time you're able to put the concentration. Just some rough figures, so that you can know, you can have an idea of how you're doing the things, right? So coming to the food orders, this is my most favorite thing because I'm a foodie. I started learning data science with my food order behavior, so which is today I'm going to tell you about. So coming to the food orders, there are like a lot of applications present now. So with that, what you can do is you can take the order ID as a primary key, and then you can start taking the what are the orders. Basically, you can crawl the data set, and then you will get it. So basically, what you can know the things from the food orders is what type of order you are, what type of food you are more interested in, whether it is South Indian or North Indian, or desserts, or thalis, or whatever it be, like your food order behavior, and how much you're spending, and how much you're getting benefited. So all this stuff you can understand, and more about you, right? So next is cleaning and visualizing the data set. So whatever the data set, from wherever you take, like whether if you create on your own also, there will be a lot of disturbances in the data. So the main important thing is that you have to clean your data, then only you can do the visualization, and you will get more insights from it. So these are the few packages which are available. So Beautiful Soup is for the crawling the websites and getting the data, and NumPy and Pandas goes with the cleaning part. Pandas mostly will go with the cleaning part, and NumPy will be no a bit of more doing the statistic kind of work you can do in that, and Matplotlib, C1 Plotly are for the visualization packages where you can use the graphs and all. So as I told that, let's see one the demo. So demo, here I'm doing the Swiggy data set, my own Swiggy data set. For that, how you can get your data. So just log on to your Swiggy website, go to your orders profile, and then do inspect element, and then you can go to this network tab, and there you can if you see in the response the yellow color highlighted part, you can know where you will get the data. So if you're good at JavaScript, you can even write a for loop and crawl the all other pages, and you can get the data. Or if not, what you can do, you can take the data from here manually, every time clicking on the show more orders, and then the your your and by copying this one and then putting into a data frame, and then you can work on it. So that's how I worked on it. So just think that how much data Swiggy is capturing. Just give a thought. Right, you might think some around uh, 10, 15, 20, but no, it's more than that. You won't even believe that how many columns Swiggy is capturing. I'll show you. These many columns Swiggy is capturing. If you see, there is a lot of data this Swiggy is capturing. Approximately there are 195 plus 195 plus of data columns it is capturing. Why I said plus is because in each and every variable there are a lot of key value pairs are there. So that's the reason I was not able to completely calculate it. So I have given an overall outside look 195 plus. So first let's see what's the frequent order item I do. Okay, so I have taken the dataset from this wiki, but there might be scenarios like, I'll cancel the order, or the restaurant will cancel the order. So a lot of disturbance will be there. So what I'm doing, I wanted only the delivered dataset, so I'm filtering it out first by the delivered. Right, and then why I'm using this, why I'm expanding is because if you see this order items, in that order items itself there are like for each and every item they have added into a JSON and added to the main thing. So for example, if you see, you can see there are like two items are there in this order item, right? So each and everything, if you see that, if in this one I have ordered two ice creams. One is kulfi cup ice cream, and then the other is strawberry ice cream, right? So for each and everything there are like completely separate thing, because each and every item will have its own data. So to capture that, every item will be added into a very big list, right? So if you do all the value counts and all, then you will get to know what is the most ordered item. You can see that plain dosa I ordered 12 times. It means it clearly says that I'm a South Indian and I'm a big fan of dosa. So yeah, this is the way, this is the order pattern. You can see, which item I purchased a lot. Okay, monthly orders bar graph. So you can see what's my structure of order, like which month I ordered a lot, which month I ordered less, and then you can go back and think that why I ordered that much in that month, right? So there might be a lot of reasons, because you might be stressed out, or you might not get time to cook, or whatever it be, so and so reasons, right? So you will get to know it. So you'll have a very good pictorial representation. So seems to be into 2022, June month is my highest order, and there might be some reason why I ordered that much, but yeah. So this is how you can think that which month you are ordering most. uh, so coming to the next one, restaurant word cloud. This is one of my one of I like this a lot. So this restaurant word cloud, uh, basically what it will take the frequencies of the restaurants, like how many times I ordered from that restaurant, and it will give a very good visual presentation. So before that, first let's see in a table format that Manakanta restaurant I ordered 37 times, and Subaigari hotel I ordered 23 times. So these should be coming in a very bold. Let's see in the image. So if you see, the Manikanta restaurant is in the middle, and then the Subaya Garu is in the bottom. It's like with the font size, you can clearly differentiate that which restaurant I am ordering a lot, right? So this is how you can get insights from your data, from your own data, and you can know about yourself more, and you can start happily your data science journey. Yeah. Thank you everyone for the opportunity. Thank you so much. Feel free to connect me on the LinkedIn, Twitter, and all. I'm happy to help you out. Thank you so much once again.